Hello viewers, you are watching Startup with Dr. Mac. Today we have a very wonderful friend from China. He is the CEO for Beijing Fund for MENA region, MENA, Middle East and North Africa. First of all, welcome Mr. Jack. I would love to listen your brief introduction.
Yeah, thank you. It's my pleasure. And I am come from China, and I am the chief representative for the Middle Asia. And I note the weight. Next, we will have a great cooperation with the Middle East. So I want to come to this as the next step and to make more and more cooperation with the government.
What was your expectation to visit Dubai?
We have long relationships before this between our two countries, and I thought after COVID-19 we had much more new difficult and situations we meet, so we want to note each other what are we really to need to improve in our society, but also the whole countries, and we can make a better cooperation in the future.
What is the size of your fund?
Our fund size is about 300 billion.
300 billion.
300 billion, and the vision of our fund is to bring more and more China company and the government to go outside for our country and to see and to how to develop with the different country and different culture and make a better cooperation.
What is the legal status of this fund?
Our fund is 100% below the China government.
How long it established?
Our fund has settled by two parts. One part by the leader is more than 20 years ago.
Okay, very
and
good.
And the new part we settled for the whole business and the different country cooperation is nearly few years.
Very good. In how many countries you have operations?
3 different countries, and we meet and we want to make better cooperations, especially for the UAE.
You have any idea how many projects you funded totally?
In the past few years, because of the COVID-19, it was almost stopped by the whole world.
Yeah.
I thought not only by China but also by UAE, and so we must hurry up and work harder.
How you find Dubai? How was the experience to visit Dubai?
The UAE is the very special country, because all of these people in the countries have a very positive and very professional.
You like to share some your experience about new businessman?
Every successful businessman is come from new businessmen, so maybe we should give them some more encourage and more opportunity and more support. This is one of the mission I come to here and discuss with you, and how we can help them more and more.
Can you share your some experience and how much challenging you face in your life? Of course, it is not a one-day journey. You spend a lot. So what is the secret behind this?
I think it was the most important thing is the honest. Honest to our countries and honest to ourselves. And no matter the big business or also the normally visits to our friends or the country, and we should take the 100% attention to do it and try our best is most important.
Very interesting. How we can help to others?
I have been to our most important project and fund to the UAE and to discuss with you. I hope these two plans and projects can help more and more people, no matter the young businessmen, but also the government and everyone. If you want to fight for your life, and if you have the goal you ever made, so we can help you to become true.
On this visit, what did you gain?
It's the representative of our two countries and the whole family of our country's people, and want to see we can cooperate and we can make more and more development for our life and our technology, also for the satisfied for our two countries' people.
What do you feel your trip is a successful?
Yeah, very successful.
So for new businessmen, what message you want to give them?
I hope they can follow their heart and do what they're happy.
We also have a good news today. We are going to make a official legal partnership with the Beijing Fund, and today we have a signing ceremony